the upper hand in the 6 southeastern states. Well, I am thankful that we are documenting this for record purposes. We documented this argument, this healthy argument. It is a healthy one. So thou shalt not take it at heart. Thou shalt not take it to heart. I may organize more better way of having this referendum or the debate. Let it be a debate. And I believe that my barrister will always answer our call. We can decide to have it in Port Harcourt, or we can take it to Anambra, or we bring it to Owerri. I believe Owerri should be central. No, I mean we bring the Anioma, we bring the Adad, and I think because of your position, you will be there. You will be there too. So let's carry it on. I am going here because the referendum for Anioma state creation and Adad state creation is inconclusive from here. So we will take it to Imo State. I promise by the grace of God, I shall Ndi Igbo Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation and also the Unify IGBOS Now, we shall sponsor it. Because our brother, from Adada, we are going to invite him and also invite other Anioma sons like Igweswi and Eda Boyogo has been very, very consistent on the radio in Asaba, talking about the Anioma states, and it is healthy. It is healthy. I don't know. You want to say something? All right. Just can you make it brief, please? We have the.